Hi, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to search for DIDs. So in order to search DIDs, you just click on search DIDs here. And let's say we just want to see all the DIDs from a particular method. So we want to know all the DID that were created on the didIndy method. So you click on get history. And as you can see, if you click on next, you go further back in time. Let's say we want to see all the versions of a particular DID. So I just use this DID, I copy it here and I paste it into the DID tab. I enter the DID, I want to know all its versions, and as you can see, it shows all the versions here. We can check that. So it has a version ID, it has the version time, and as we click on the other DIDs here, it has another version ID and another version time. What we also see, what we might recognize, is the document here in its standard format. Again, the document metadata and the version metadata. And the last thing you can do is display version valid at, so you can add a certain time, and you can get the history of that as well. If you would like to call this API using clients such as the command line tool again, I would refer to our documentation. What we can do here is we can just copy this documentation. You again execute an HTTP GET request calling our version service endpoint, and we want to know, for example, the last 5 records of the didIndy method. I copy this one, I paste it into my favorite command line tool, and here you go. It's a bit hard to see, but it shows the last 5 records. You can also do this based on a certain version time or certain content. I would say check it out yourself. Go to our docs.godiddy documentation, click on the version service tab, and play around with it yourself.